What's going on, guys? Hope you're doing awesome and having a great day. Today, I wanted to show you, and I'm really excited to share with you one of our shorts-based channel. And to be honest, this channel hasn't been monetized yet, but looking within I think should take us 3 to 4 weeks to get this channel fully monetized and we be earning passively on this particular channel. As you can see on this channel, we have actually got 4,666 subscribers and actually growing daily. Let me refresh my page so you can see I'm not just giving you some fake numbers and results. This is all real numbers, and you can see with the analytics. And I've actually hidden this channel because I don't want much competition in this channel, right? And so you can see in the last 48 hours we've got 433,000 views and you can just see the numbers for yourself, right? In the last 28 days we were able to hit 3.7 million views, watch hours, as you can see here. And also you can see the subscribers, and like I said, it is increasing daily. And let me share with you the numbers on the last 90 days, right? So this channel within the last 9 days hit 5 million views. So to actually get monetized on your YouTube Shorts channel, you need 1,000 subscribers and you need 10 million views in the last 90 days for you to get monetized. And as you can see, we didn't start uploading on this channel, I believe, in February, but we uploaded like two videos, but initially we didn't start pumping out videos, I think, in March. So after March we were like just pumping out close to about 2 videos a day minimum, and then we increased the numbers to currently we're doing about 3 videos a day on this particular channel, right? And let me go to lifetime so you can see the whole numbers. So still 5 million views because we didn't start like till say February, so 90 days. So you can see increasing daily. Last 28 days, as you can see, 3.7 million views. The last 7 days, close to about 1.2 million views. But in this particular niche, like the bigger channels are hitting some crazy numbers. They're well over $1,000 a day, and they've already got like 1 million subscribers on their channel. So as the subscriber increases, the views will also increase in this particular niche. Like because I've actually done this niche for a very long time, so I know what is actually working in this niche, and I can actually duplicate a lot of different channels in this particular niche. Okay, because I've known this niche and I've been in this niche for very long time. Okay, it is not a well-known niche what the most gurus actually discuss about, like soccer niche, car niche, basketball niche, sports niche, motivational niche. This is very specific sort of niche, and there's not much competition in this particular niche, so we can actually duplicate many channels in this particular niche. We have also got a monetized channel on this particular niche, but I won't share that niche, that channel in this video. I'll make a separate video so we can see how much this sort of short channel are actually making money. Okay, and just by doing shorts based channel, it is totally different to all my other content that I've actually created on my channel. On my channel I talk mainly about building a channel, and video can be like between 8 minutes minimum to like 3 hours long. Okay, that's what I normally focus and create videos about my channel. But shorts is just blowing up big time, and when I started this shorts channel, like I didn't have any idea, but I knew the niche, and so I started creating shorts based content, and started getting traction, and I've actually grew what, like, I believe 2 channels in the shorts niche, and I also sold those as well. And the buyer also got the strategy, the whole strategy. So in this niche, I've actually grown like many channels, sold 2 of them, and pretty much it is easy for me to get into this niche and start printing money. Okay, the reason we didn't start this channel on an already monetized channel, because I just wanted to show you and also document the whole process on, like, it doesn't take long for you to start printing money, especially if you starting with the already monetized channel. Like, if this channel was already monetized, on this amount of views we could easily be hitting close to about $15 to $20 a day with the RPM and everything. But if this actually, the views actually, we start hitting 1 million views a day, we should be earning somewhere between $100 to $150, give or take, on this particular niche, right? So there's like a lot of demand for this particular sort of niche. But what I wanted to tell you is, if you are getting into shorts based content, what you're going to be focusing on is not putting out crappy videos, okay? Because shorts is really different to long form content. People are just scrolling, and if your content are really bad, especially in the beginning, like I'd say 1 to 5 seconds, if your content is really bad, they're gonna skip, they're not gonna watch it. Okay, however, if you make your shorts based content, especially in the beginning stage, when what we call the hook, if your hook is really good, people will continue to watch it, right? On this channel, what we're doing is we're creating videos between like 5 to 8 seconds. That's why we do the testing, because it's easy for people to, if they like the content, they're gonna be binge watching, like, and that way we can get like a higher average view duration. Okay, so, and once something is actually working, we make the video between like say about 10 seconds all the way up to 30 seconds. That's where we're gonna be making a lot of money, because the RPM on this video will be a lot higher compared to videos that is like 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, so that's how we increase. So to cut the long story short, your hook needs to be really good, and your content needs to be really good, regardless of if there's any competition or not. Like this niche, we can create bad content. However, we don't want to do that. We want to create good content, so that way we can have subscribers coming in and people actually binge watching our content. Okay, so that's what we wanted to share with you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to get to know how we also create our long form content as well, I'll leave a training in the description of this video for our longer form content. And also there's gonna be a pop-up on the screen right now, so you can click and watch our longer video training. I'll also leave a few of our other channels results, the channels that we sold. I'll leave that in the description or in the comment section, and you can go click and watch the full tutorial and the breakdowns on those shorts channel, that the one we just sold. So we sold that probably like 1 month ago, but if you want to go and watch those, you're more than welcome. But if you have any more question, you wanted to know more about how we're building the shorts channel, you're more than welcome to put in the comment section below. So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and you have an awesome day. God bless. Bye for now.